Have you ever heard someone say, I work like a manager instead of I work as a manager? And do you know the difference? Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and I help fix your English. Today we're going to be looking at the difference between as and like. In this video, I'm going to go from the very basic to the more advanced, like similes and metaphors. And at the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say and why. So if you're ready, let's start fixing your English. So let's look at the core rule first of all. Like is used to compare two things that are similar. Like. As is used to describe someone's role or function or the way something is done. As. Like is similar to, not exactly the same. As actually is, or in the position of. So, like is used to describe two things that are similar but not the same. Behaviors, appearances, sounds. We use this structure. Like and then the noun or the pronoun or the gerund. Let's look at some examples now. She sings like Adele. It smells like burning toast. They acted like they didn't care. And some business examples now. He led the team like a true leader. This feels like a step in the right direction. That meeting was like a never-ending lecture. We have many phrases in English that use like as well. Just like we discussed in the meeting. I'd like something like this one. It sounds like a good idea. Be firm, like a manager should be. Like I said earlier, this one is good for using in presentations. So again, like used for comparing two similar things that are not the same. As is used to describe a true role or the way something functions. The structure is as and then the noun or clause. I work as a teacher. I am a teacher. They appointed her as the project leader. She is the project leader. As your supervisor, I have to say, I am your supervisor. You're saying, this is my real job. This is my true identity. This is who I am. Let's look at some professional phrases now using as. As discussed, we'll move forward with the plan. As mentioned in the report. As you know, the time is right. As expected, they declined the offer. We'll use this platform as our main communication tool. Let's look at these two sentences now, and you tell me the difference. I work like a consultant. I work as a consultant. What's the difference between these two? Well, I work as a consultant means that I am a consultant. I work like a consultant means that that's not really my job, but I do similar things. Does that make sense? Let's do another one. He is speaking like a friend, or he's speaking as a friend. So one more time, what's the difference? Okay, if he's speaking as a friend, he really is my friend. If he's speaking like a friend, it means that he's friendly, but not my friend. Does that make sense? Now, we're going to look at something that is advanced English. This is simile or metaphor. What is a simile, you ask? A simile compares two things. We say that it's like something, or we say that it's as something. Let me give you an example. She's as brave as a lion. We're saying that she's similar to a lion, but not a lion. He eats like a pig. He's not a real pig, but he's eating in a similar way to a pig. It's as clear as day. What I said was clear, and it's similar to the sun shining. Everything's clear in the day. You will hear similes a lot in English, and if you're trying to pass an exam, or if you are just in a professional setting or using English as part of your daily life, similes add color to your speaking and your writing. Now, I mentioned a metaphor as well, because in a simile, we can say, she is as brave as a lion. But a metaphor is when we say that something is that other thing, not like it. So instead of saying he is like a walking dictionary because he knows many words, you can say he is a walking dictionary. Instead of saying her voice is like music, we can say her voice is music. Do you see the difference? Metaphors are stronger and more poetic, and similes are softer, but they're also easier to remember and to use. Let's also now look at some useful phrases. If I said, the data shows a trend like the previous quarter, what would that mean? It would mean that the trend was similar, but not exactly the same as the other quarter. She handled the situation like a true professional. We're saying that what she did was as though a true professional had done it. As mentioned above, as I've just spoken about, as you can see above, you are able to see the information above, or as mentioned before, as mentioned in my email. That is where you will find that information. These numbers behave as expected. I believed that they would be like that, and they are. Let's do a quick quiz. Do we use like or as? I used to work an engineer. This really should be as. I used to work as an engineer because that was your role. If you did some things like an engineer, but that wasn't your role, you could say like. This smells fresh paint. This smells like fresh paint. As wouldn't work in this sentence, but like does. This smells like fresh paint, but it's not fresh paint. She's always acting a celebrity. This one should be like. She's always acting like a celebrity. The things that she does, the things that she says, the things that she wears, a celebrity. But she is not one. He behaved a true leader. This one would be he behaved like a true leader. I'm speaking to you, your tutor. I'm speaking to you as your tutor. This shows that what I'm going to say is because I'm telling you in a professional capacity, not because I'm telling you as your friend or as your neighbor. That would give me different responsibilities. Very well done. So to summarize, use like to show similarity. Use as to show reality, what someone is or the way something functions. Use similes and metaphors to make your writing and your speech more descriptive. So this video was quick, right? Your challenge today is to write at least one sentence using as or like in the comments below. And when I have time, I'm going to try to check them for you. If you found my video helpful, please like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, but you're interested in fixing your English, please subscribe. Have a great day learning English today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!